Hey there! Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. You're about to discover a super easy way to turn your opinions into real cash, all from the comfort of your own home. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll always be the first to know about the latest, most legit ways to make money online. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of these opportunities. And hey, I love hearing from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which country you're watching from. I'm always looking to create videos that are tailored to your region, so your feedback really helps me help you. All right, let's get into it. Have you ever wondered if you could actually get paid just for sharing your thoughts? Well, you absolutely can. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your opinions into straight-up cash. If you're a side hustler in the US looking for flexible ways to earn extra income, let me introduce you to a platform called SurveyFeeds. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for a little side money, this could be perfect for you. SurveyFeeds is a totally legit research platform that actually values your opinions. Here's the deal. They pay you for your honest thoughts and feedback on a variety of topics. Whether it's a quick online survey, a one-on-one interview, or even a virtual focus group, your input is valuable. And the best part? Your time is always compensated, so you never walk away empty-handed. So how does it all work? You might be thinking it's complicated, but it's actually super simple. There's no need to jump through hoops or deal with a long, confusing registration process. All you have to do is fill out a quick profile survey. It only takes a few minutes, and it helps SurveyFeeds match you with studies that are actually relevant to you and your interests. Once you're in their database, SurveyFeeds will send you email invitations whenever there's a research study that fits your profile. You don't have to constantly check the site, they'll come to you. Now here's the part everyone wants to know about: the money. For every study you participate in, you get paid. It's as simple as that. No strings attached, no hidden fees. Payments are super convenient and fast. You can choose to get paid through PayPal, which is great if you want instant access to your earnings, or you can have the money sent straight to your bank account. Forget about confusing point systems or weird gift cards that you'll never use. With SurveyFeeds, you get real cash for your honest feedback. No gimmicks, no nonsense. Just straightforward payments for your time and opinions. It's a refreshing change from other survey sites that make you jump through hoops. Now, there is one important thing to keep in mind. SurveyFeeds is currently only available to people living in the United States. So, if you're based in the US, you're in luck. But if you're outside the US, don't worry. I know it can be frustrating, but let me know in the comments where you're from, and I'll do my best to find and share platforms that work in your country. I want everyone to have a chance to earn online. Seriously, your feedback helps me create better content for you, so don't be shy. Drop your country in the comments, and I'll get to work finding more options. With SurveyFeeds, you're not just earning a little extra cash on the side. You're also helping shape the products and services that companies offer in the real world. You could be giving feedback on everything from new apps and websites to retirement planning tools, food products, and more. Your voice really does make a difference. Companies are eager to hear from everyday people like you and me. They use your feedback to improve their products, launch new services, and make better decisions. And they're willing to pay for your insights. So if you're looking for a simple, flexible side hustle you can do from anywhere in your home, whether it's your couch, your kitchen table, or even your backyard, SurveyFeeds is definitely worth checking out. Just fill out your profile, keep an eye on your inbox for invitations, and get paid for sharing your thoughts. It's a great way to make your downtime more productive. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever made money online by sharing your opinions or participating in surveys? What was your experience like? Drop your stories and tips in the comments below. Your experiences could help others get started and avoid common pitfalls. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe with notifications turned on. That way, you'll never miss out on a new opportunity to earn online. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy earning and take care.